Hi there. In today's lecture, we are going to look at the logical formula if. The if statement is used to check whether a particular condition is true. When it is true, a particular action is suggested, and what is the alternate action to be taken if that condition is false. So let me give you an example here. I have candidate data here with name, age, city, and experience. Let's say I'm looking for someone whom is based out of Bangalore. So we can use the if formula here to have a location check. So the syntax is like this. If. So the logical test is T2 is equal to open quotes Bangalore, close quotes. Then we can have them saying yes. Else we can say it's no. So now as you can see, the if function helps me check in the subsequent cell whether the content in the cell is Bangalore. It returns a value S for where the corresponding cell has Bangalore as the text, and it returns a no wherein the location is not Bangalore. So instead of using the output as yes or no, we can even use condition, customize this to our requirement as we see fit. So we can even say location match or mismatch in location and so on. That's it for this lecture. Let me know in the comments on how this was and if there are any areas of improvement to be incorporated. I'll be releasing a next video on nested if soon. Thank you.